most of us in life, we always wonder, what is our purpose? Well, I found my purpose, which was to help other people. And this is my service. I'm a nonprofit, and we started off with working with kids and youth, and now we work more with adults, people with disabilities, and a lot of people that are going through things. When people walk through our doors, they are looking for someone to help them get to where they're trying to get to. The Southwest partnership, we feel like this was designed for us, because for 10 years we've been waiting for a collaboration that we felt good about. We're not meant to be perfect, but we are meant to be whole, and creativity does that. And by showing people how to be creative with these airplane seats, we see people's lives change.
And when you come here, you're always making something new out of something old. And you get to see things around you in a different light, you know?
That's the best part about it is, you know, this is being repurposed. You know, the upcycling program that's coming about from it correlates to my life. Like, I was almost going to that landfill. This revitalized me. We're revitalizing some leather that was just going to be forgotten about and tossed away. So it's a beautiful thing.
So we just want people to understand that they are doing a part by receiving one of these golf club covers. And Southwest Airlines is doing a major part by allowing us to be able to take these seat covers and make products out of them instead of putting them in the landfill.